Papi.
Woody? What are you doing?
Playing.
You're playing?
Mm-hmm.
Playing with the sugar dish?
What are you doing with it?
Turning.
Turning? Are you taking it off and putting it back away or on, right? You've got lots of words, don't you? Can you say, I miss Peepop?
Peepop.
Can you say, I miss you, Mimi and Popo?
This is Popo. This is Popo.
And Mimi.
This is Popo.
Aww.
This is Popo. This is Popo. This is Popo.
You know that this is going to make your Popo cry because he misses you too. Yeah. Yeah. Can you say, hey Grandpa? We were working on Grandpa earlier today, weren't we? Can you say, hey Grandpa?
Hey Pop.
And hey Mimi. Hey Popo. Hey Aunt Kelly. Hey Uncle Doug. Hey Corey and Carter. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Adios.
Adios.
Sayonara.
Toast.
Arrivederci.
And
What are the other ones, Poppy?
Auf Wiedersehen.
And Sissy.
Lasci
Can you say shalom?
Shalom.
And just regular old bye-bye? How about love you?
Shalom.
Oh.